Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana. The Sacral Chakra, this is the creative seat, creative power. It's represented by the color orange, which symbolizes passion, warmth, vitality. It's located in the lower abdomen, about 2 inches below your navel. This energy center is responsible for regulating your emotions. So bringing this chakra into alignment is about coming into alignment with your creativity, your sensuality, and your sexuality. All you need to do to receive this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Bringing your focus to the sacral chakra, an inch or two below the belly button. And bring your attention to both the front of your body and the back, and feel, if you will, the access point between these two vortexes, front and back. Are they in alignment? Is there a wobble? What is the speed? Is the energy moving at all? Is it blocked? Is it stagnant? Is it sluggish? If you had a visual, how does the ease of flow happening here? Take a deep breath right into the center of these, where the two vortices meet. Kind of like a wheel alignment, just bringing your energy into alignment here. Just keep the breathing going as we're allowing your body to settle into its natural state of flow and grace and ease, with a little support from the universe, from the divine, to allow these energy centers to be balanced. And as you receive this healing energy, just notice if there's any feelings that surface, any memories, any things that you're dealing with in your life. Just allow them to surface. And as we recalibrate these vortices, bringing you into a state of balance, bringing your creativity online, bringing your sexuality online, being comfortable in your own skin. And if you're a woman, this energy being beneficial for the womb, the uterus, and just allowing whatever energy is being held in here that no longer serves you to dissipate and dissolve, and being drawn out gently, slowly, gracefully out of your physical body, back into the source of all creation, just starting to dissipate and dissolve, resolve and absolve. Just feeling that gently drawing out of your body what no longer serves you. It's an energy clearing, energy healing, all that no longer serves you, all that no longer requires you to hold on to it. So in this energy clearing, it's a releasing too. What no longer serves you. And this could be rigid beliefs, old habitual patterns that no longer serve you, energy imprints or habits that dampen and mute your life force, just letting them go. Any addictions, any things, behaviors that you've been working with that you've imprinted just to survive, but they don't serve you anymore. Allowing them to diminish, dissipate, dissolve back into the source of all creation. Finding the balance. Fine-tuning. Perhaps you've believed that you're not worthy, or self-doubt. Just letting that dissipate and dissolve. Perhaps there's a violation or trauma here that wants to just be free so that you don't have to hold it anymore. If you've ever had surgery in this area, just allowing this energy to gently work with the scar tissue. Any hardened, calcified, dense energy, gently, gently, gently letting go. You can place your hands on your sacral chakra, front and back, if you like. Feel the warmth. Feel the warmth of this divine energy saturating, infusing, filling your cup. And it ripples out to your whole energy field. And just like a picture that you can turn up the saturation and the vibrance, this energy heightens that sense of self-worth, heightens your creativity. This is self-love, self-care. Take another deep breath. I can hear the sacral chakra humming with a beautiful resonance right now. So this resonance, this harmonic resonance deep in your being, moving forward with you in your life from this day forward. And you can always come back and revisit if you feel like you're out of balance. Being mindful of who you allow into your energy field. and sealing in this beautiful energy. Thank you, my loves.